Hello guys, welcome in today's crypto technical analysis, and today we're going to discuss as usual the Bitcoin and Ethereum price actions. I really hope that you enjoy and learn from this video. As usual, I will be providing a key levels which will help to take your own trades. Bear in your mind, the levels for the BTC and Ethereum slightly changed. And before we start, hit the like and subscribe to the channel if you haven't already. Now without wasting a time, let's dive in. Okay, starting from the BTC under a lower time frame, 30 minutes time frame, we had around here a resistance that you can see. It acted perfectly, supported, and once we broke it, we saw the sharp decline in the market. And as you remember, I said it, lower time frames are underwater before 26th of March. And once we managed to break, and as you can see, retested, once we hold this level, since then, half an hour time frame is on the bullish zone. So with the current price action, we are over 8% profit. With the recent high, you can calculate it over 10% spot profit. So half an hour time frame is still healthy and bullish. Moving on to a 1 hour time frame. Under 1 hour time frame, we can see slightly different scenario. Once we manage to break and retest it, the level of around 54,000 levels, you can see it was still struggling. However, once we managed to break and stay above this level, the level of 55,500-ish, and then as you can see, perfectly we went up, retested. However, fully bullish confirmation was once we broke this level of around 55,000, and as you can see, we retested it perfectly. Since then, we're on the bull side. So from there, we're already up, as you can see, 6% spot all the way from the top. You're already above 8%. So that's the multiple time frame analysis we're doing in this channel. As you know, I'm just breaking it down all the time frames. I usually cover 1 hour, 2 hour, 4 hour time frame, as well as the daily and weekly. So if you have a system in place, I really hope that these lower time frames, 1 hour and 2 hour, may help you to take your own trades, including if you're a swing trader. 4 hour time frame will help you a lot. So 1 hour time frame at the moment looks quite healthy and bullish. Moving on to 2 hour time frame, as you can see, the same level of this that I just draw went up, retested. Since then, we were on the bull side. So 2 hour time frame is bullish, and that's the same gain all the way up to here, 6% plus profit. If you calculate from the top, it is already 8 plus spot profit. Moving on to a 4 hour time frame. 4 hour time frame is similar structure as a 1 hour time frame, where this resistance support level, it didn't work perfectly for the 1 hour time frame when the half an hour time frame got bullish. Once we managed to break and retest it, the 4 hour time frame was lagging to give us a bullish signal. As I mentioned, I was waiting for some time 4 hour time frame to give us a bullish signal. On the recent tweet, I mentioned that good news that the 4 hour time frame is already confirmed the bullish signal. So 4 hour time frame is bullish. We don't need these old supports anymore. As I mentioned, bear in your mind, these support levels are slightly changed. The resistance level that we've been following in the last 2 weeks are still the same. So we've got first rejection, second rejection, and third rejection, which I said it before 4 hour time frame gets bullish, we will see some sort of pullback in the market. So as you can see, Fibonacci level, dollar to dollar, it played out between 6.6 and 6.18 golden zones. So I'll show that in a minute. Before we move on to the bullish and bearish scenario, if you want to learn all these technical analysis, what I'm showing, and if you want to become an independent professional trader, or you're interested in the institutional trading system, you can message me via Telegram at Magnate8, and one-on-one intense mentorship is available. It only takes you 5 to 10 hours to master. Moving on, as I mentioned, 4 hour is still healthy and bullish. In the last 48 hours, I saw the confirmation that 4 hour started giving a bullish signal. At the moment, I'm just waiting how this level of the support 58,200, 58,600 will react. So our target levels still the same. You remember in the past we bent all the targets, and the next target we are watching, as soon as we're gonna break this resistance of $60,000 and stay above, we will go towards the $68,000, $70,000. So at the moment, this support level is a minor support level. If we cannot hold this support, we might see another retracement, 57,000 and 56,000 zones. So as you can see, there was our 6.6 zone, which was above 6.18 zone, and as expected, we got this rejection and it came all the way to golden zone, and then we did recover very quickly. So I'm still bullish on all time frames, 1 hour, 2 hour, 4 hour, and as well as the daily time frames. However, we need some time to break this resistance line above us. And this resistance line in the last 2 weeks been very important, which confluence with our very important level of the Fibonacci, as I'm kept mentioning. So the levels to watch, we're at the support. If we cannot hold 58,200, we might see another $1,000 drop, which will take us to 57,000 level. However, from there, I'm expecting we will see some sort of consolidation and we will be good to go towards the next target zone. And if you remember, since the last few videos in the last week, I didn't want to talk about the bearish scenario. So there is no point at the moment for me to talk about the bearish scenario. All time frames are giving us a bullish signal. So I'm not going to talk in this video as well. The bearish scenario, maximum we may visit $56,000. However, I will be closely watching $57,500, $57,000 will react to the. Moving on to Ethereum. Ethereum on the 4 hour time frame started giving a bullish signal as well in the last 48 hours. As I mentioned, this is a very important level of the Fibonacci. First rejection. Once we got this rejection, I said we will highly likely we're going to see the decline in the market, and then we saw the decent dump in the market, and we're having a V-shaped recovery. So at the moment, as you can see, we're having another sort of rejection. So the levels that we need to be careful, 1880, 1865 level. So this level I'm expecting to get retraced, and then from there we may go and retest again this resistance line, and this line shouldn't be a problem in the next 48 or 72 hours. On the 4 hour time frame, Ethereum looks extremely bullish. 2 hour time frame, as I said, levels are slightly changed. 2 hour time frame couldn't manage to break the resistance. It used to be resistance first time, second time, third time, and then fourth time. The fifth time, as you can see, we've managed to break it, and first retest, second retest, and since then we are on the bullish territory. So since 2 hours started giving us a bullish signal, we are already up by 10% to 11% plus spot profit. 1 hour time frame. 1 hour time frame started giving a bullish signal earlier than 2 hour time frame. Rejection, managed to break, and then retested the previous level. It managed to hold perfectly. Since then we are on the bullish territory. So on the 1 hour time frame, you are up already by 15% spot profit. So as I said, highly likely I'm expecting the price retracement for the Ethereum, and I'll be keeping an eye on this 1880 and 1865 level. So you can see clearly on the 1 hour time frame, kept rejecting week to week, and dollar to dollar rejection right from this line. Second time dollar to dollar rejection right from this candle. Bullish scenario, as soon as we're going to break this resistance line and we are good to go towards our target zone of 2500 level, which is 1.618 Fibonacci level. Again, for the Ethereum as well, it is too early for me to talk about the bearish scenario. We came to an end of this episode, and if you guys enjoyed it, do not forget to like and subscribe to the channel. Thanks for watching. I will see you in the next video.